Class 12. Let us continue the chapter determinant. Already 4 marks questions we have started. Let us continue. Sum number 10. 1 plus a, the first row, then 1, 1, 1, 1 plus a, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus a. This is equals to a cube plus 3a square. This only we have to prove. Now, let us add the 3 columns. So, C1 dash, that is the new column, that is C1 plus C2 plus C3. So, 1 plus a plus 1 plus 1. Similarly, this 1, 1 plus a, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus a. So, what we will get here? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus a. The first column we will get 3 plus a, 3 plus a, 3 plus a. And the 2 other column that will remain same. Now, take this 3 plus a outside the determinant. Then what we will get? When 3 plus a taken out, so it will be again 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus a, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus a. Okay. Now second column C2 dash we will change. Second column minus first column. C2 dash equals to new first second column will be C2 minus C1 and new third column will be C3 minus C2. Now 1, 1, 1, that is first column, there is no change, only second column minus the first one. So 1 minus 1, 0, 1 plus a minus 1. That is only a, 1 minus a again 0. And it is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 plus a, 1 plus a minus 1. Okay, so it's coming 3 plus a. Always try to get at least 2 or 3 positions 0 in the bracket after using the properties. Apply the properties and always try to get 2 or 3 elements in the determinant as 0. That will be your target. Then only we can expand. Now expand the determinant, we will get only a square. So 3 plus a into a square, answer is 3a square plus a cube. Next is sum number 13. It's very important, always try to get at least 2 or 3 positions 0. Then the expansion part will be easier for you. Next is minus 1 B C A minus 1 C A B minus 1. Determinant sign, and what we have to prove? Proof is a plus 1, b plus 1 into c plus 1, and in the bracket a by a plus 1 plus b by b plus 1 plus c by c plus 1 minus 1. This only we have to prove. Okay. Now left hand side, will start with the left hand side, LHS. Okay. Our target is R1 dash equals to R1 minus R2, that is new first row, and the new second row R2 dash equals to R2 minus R3. Okay, then what we will get? Minus 1 minus a, b minus or minus and b plus 1, and c minus c equal to 0. Again we have to get a minus a 0, minus 1 minus b, c plus 1. It is a, b minus 1. Okay, and what we will get? Take common minus, it is coming a plus 1, and then it is b plus 1 to 0, 0 minus b minus third column, third one, b minus 1, b minus 1, b minus 1. So it will be first row b plus 1, and it will be second row, take common minus, it will be minus b plus 1. It is c plus 1, and the third row a, b minus 1. Why it is minus b? It's not minus b, it will be only b. So it is only b. AB minus 1, AB minus 1, minus C plus 1. Okay. Now as we are to get a by a plus 1, b by b plus 1, c by c plus 1 minus 1 in one as one factor. So let us take out a plus 1 from the first column. So what we will get then? We will get a plus 1, b plus 1 from the second column, and c plus 1 from the third column. Then what we will get? When a plus 1 taken out, then we can write minus 1. It is 0, so it is 0. Since it is only a, so it will be a by a plus 1. Okay. Similarly, it will be 1, minus 1, b by b plus 1, and it is 0, 1, minus 1 by c plus 1. Okay. Next, that is equals to a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1. Now expand. Okay, minus 1 expand with respect to first row. Then minus 1 into minus of 1 by c plus 1, minus of 1 into b plus 1. And ultimate what we will get? Let me write this part. C plus 1, b by b plus 1 you will get, plus a by a plus 1. Okay, then a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1, and as it is minus 1 by c plus 1, we know minus c by c plus 1 minus 1 is equal to, let's write this is minus c plus 1 as LCM, it will be minus c minus 1. No, it will be c by c plus 1, right? C by c plus 1, right? C by c plus 1 minus 1. Instead of minus 1 by this plus c minus c will be cancelled, this coming minus 1 by. So instead of this minus 1 by c plus 1, we can write c by c plus 1 minus 1. Okay, then what we will get? A by a plus 1, b by b plus 1, plus c by c plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so this only we have to prove. Next sum number 15. Sum number 15. What's the question? Thrice a minus a plus b minus a plus c, a minus b, 3b, c minus b, a minus c, b minus c, 3c is equal to 3 into a plus b plus c into ab plus bc plus ca. This only we have to prove. Okay, let's start with the left hand side. We will change first column. So C1 dash equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, now 3a minus a plus b minus a plus c. So minus a minus 2a, 3a minus 2a is a. So a plus b plus c, ultimate we will get. So a plus b plus c. Only we are going to change the first column. A minus b plus 3b plus, it will be again a plus b plus c. It will be again a plus b plus c. Okay, and here it will be minus a plus b. Minus a plus b, and this is 3b, this is b minus c. And the third column minus a plus c, c minus b, 3c. Okay, now a plus b plus c, as this is the common element, so take it outside the determinant. So 1 1 1, and here same thing, minus a plus b, 3b, b minus c, minus a plus c, c minus b, 3c. Okay, now a plus b plus c, change second row, so R2 dash, R2 minus R1, and change third row, so R3 dashed is R3 minus R1. Okay, it will be 1 minus A plus B minus A plus C, 0, 2B plus A minus B, 0, minus 2B minus C, 2C plus B. Okay, now just expand. After expansion, we will get this one. Next sum number. Next sum number 23. I think we made a new video. Okay, coming with the next video.